Welcome to the future of food, where 22 tons of fresh green jackfruit are about to undergo a revolutionary transformation into a culinary masterpiece of science. This massive haul of raw biological material represents the starting point for a sustainable meat alternative that will redefine our global food systems and environmental impact. Advanced AI systems begin the process by scanning each individual fruit, mapping its unique biological structure to determine the perfect method for cellular restructuring and processing. Real-time data visualization tracks fiber density and moisture content, ensuring that every ounce of the 22 tons meets the rigorous standards required for high-end production. On the magnetic assembly lines, the movement is as smooth as a liquid stream, carrying the bounty toward the heart of the mechanical symphony awaiting them. Witness the raw beauty of nature's architecture, soon to be dismantled and rebuilt using the most sophisticated technology humanity has ever developed for sustainable nutrition. This environment is a perfect blend of industrial power and laboratory precision, where artificial intelligence orchestrates a complex dance of efficiency and artistry for every fruit. As the gates open to the core processing unit, we prepare to witness the first stage of the mechanical symphony, the precision peeling of the outer shell. High-energy lasers act as the sculptor's tool, removing the outer layers with millimeter accuracy, ensuring zero waste while maintaining the integrity of the precious internal fibers. Watch as the discarded outer layers fall away in a mesmerizing cadence, a rhythmic display of efficiency that signals the beginning of the fruit's rebirth into meat. Robotic precision continues with the extraction of the core, utilizing multi-axis movement to isolate the heart of the fruit, preparing it for the next phase of transformation. Now cleaned and prepared, the white flesh enters the pressure chambers, where controlled atmospheric conditions begin to soften the fibers for the ultimate texture reconstruction process. Ultrasonic technology gently vibrates the seeds from the flesh, a touchless separation process that uses sound waves to ensure every part of the fruit is handled perfectly. The invisible power of sound waves cleanses and separates, demonstrating the subtle yet powerful influence of advanced physics in this high-tech culinary journey through the factory. Every piece is now primed and ready for the most critical stage, the hypnotic shredding that will turn simple plant matter into the texture of pork. The shredder descends, a masterpiece of mechanical engineering designed to mimic the natural grain of muscle tissue, turning the jackfruit into millions of delicate, succulent fibers. In a display of pure mechanical artistry, the fruit is transformed. The strands emerge long and tender, creating a visual texture that is virtually indistinguishable from meat. The repetition is hypnotic, a constant flow of transformation where plant fibers are re-engineered to provide the bite and mouthfeel of the finest slow-cooked pork shoulder. At the cellular level, the AI-driven process rearranges the very building blocks of the plant, aligning protein chains to replicate the complex structural integrity of animal meat. Mineral-rich hydration is infused into the fibers, ensuring that the final product remains moist and succulent, providing a sensory experience that rivals any traditional meat dish. Mountains of golden white fibers grow within the facility, representing tons of high protein, plant-based potential ready to be seasoned with the rich flavors of a global kitchen. Artificial intelligence monitors every millimeter of the shredded output, ensuring total consistency and texture, which is the secret to a perfect plant-based meat experience for consumers. Feel the tension and the texture of a single strand. This level of detail is why our jackfruit pork is revolutionizing the way the world thinks about plants. Now, we enter the world of flavor. The meat enters a specialized chamber where gravity is defied, allowing for a total and even infusion of seasoning and sauce. A cascade of rich barbecue sauce descends like a crimson waterfall, enveloping the fibers in a savory embrace that promises a deep, smoky profile in every single bite. Every droplet is a concentrated burst of spices and herbs, meticulously formulated by AI to create the perfect balance of sweet, salty, and savory notes on the palate. Electrostatic technology ensures that the seasoning is distributed with absolute precision, coating every single fiber so that no flavor is lost during the intensive cooking process. In this weightless environment, the ingredients merge in a beautiful dance of culinary science, achieving a level of marination that traditional methods could never hope to replicate. Infrared light activates the spices, beginning the chemical transition that will lock the flavors deep within the jackfruit structure, preparing it for the heat of the grill. Witness the art of caramelization. The Maillard reaction transforms simple sugars and proteins into a complex profile of smoky, charred excellence that defines high-quality roasted meat. The result is a glistening, appetizing texture that captures the light and the imagination, proving that plants can be just as indulgent as any traditional animal product. Natural wood smoke is introduced, weaving through the fibers to add that authentic, rustic aroma that is essential for a truly convincing and delicious barbecue experience. The journey continues into the heart of the flame. Our meat now heads for the final thermal transformation, where heat will complete this incredible biological metamorphosis. Advanced thermal sensors monitor the temperature in real time, ensuring that every batch is cooked to perfection, achieving the ideal balance between a crispy exterior and juicy interior. Real flames touch the meat, creating those iconic char marks and a smoky crust that provides the essential contrast in texture that every meat lover craves. Listen to the sizzle. The sound of plant-based oils and savory juices reacting to the heat is the universal language of delicious, high-quality cooking in any kitchen. Thick, aromatic smoke carries the scent of success through the facility, a sign that the transformation of 22 tons of fruit is nearing its magnificent conclusion. Precision robotics perform a final texture check. By measuring the elasticity and moisture retention, we guarantee a product that is 98% as juicy as traditional pork. The bite, the chew, the resistance all have been engineered to perfection. This is the result of thousands of hours of AI-driven research and mechanical precision. With the cooking complete, the meat is sorted and shaped, ready to be sent to kitchens around the world to be turned into legendary plant-based dishes. Ton after ton of this incredible product is created daily, proving that sustainability and high-end culinary quality can go hand in hand without any compromise on flavor. A flash of cooling mist locks in the moisture and flavor at its peak, ensuring that every package delivered is as fresh as the moment it is cooked. From the mechanical symphony of the factory to the artistic touch of the kitchen, we now witness the final destination of our 22-ton journey. Watch as we craft the ultimate plant-based burger. The layers come together to create a symphony of textures and flavors that will challenge everything you know about food. A final touch of creamy sauce completes the masterpiece, highlighting the rich, dark glaze of our jackfruit pork and adding another dimension to the flavor profile. This taco is a testament to the versatility of our creation. Vibrant, fresh, and incredibly satisfying, it is a celebration of the new era of green gastronomy. Look closely at the texture. The charred edges and the glistening sauce are indistinguishable from the traditional carnitas that have been a staple of cuisine for centuries. The moment of truth. A single bite reveals the secret of our success. A flavor and texture so authentic that it leaves even the most skeptical diners speechless. It's not just about the taste. It's about a healthier future, providing high protein and zero cholesterol in every delicious serving of our innovative jackfruit-based meat. This is the pinnacle of culinary art, where technology meets tradition to create dishes that are as beautiful to look at as they are to eat and enjoy. From casual street food to the world's finest dining tables, the applications are endless. We are redefining the very concept of what it means to eat meat. The warmth, the aroma, and the soul of a home-cooked meal remain intact, proving that we don't have to sacrifice our favorite traditions for a better planet. Food is meant to be shared. By choosing sustainable alternatives, we ensure that future generations can continue to enjoy the pleasure of a great meal together. But the impact of our 22 tons of jackfruit goes far beyond the dinner table. It ripples out across the entire planet, touching every living thing. By choosing plants over livestock, we save 90% of the water typically required for meat production, preserving our most precious resource for the future of humanity. We are also drastically reducing our carbon footprint, cutting CO2 emissions by 80% and helping to cool our warming planet one meal at a time. This is a mission of compassion. Every ton of jackfruit we process saves lives and promotes a more ethical world for all creatures who share this earth. As the sun sets on the old ways of production, the lights of our facility shine as a beacon of hope, leading the way to a greener tomorrow. Join us in this journey. We are Future Food Tech, and we are dedicated to redefining food through the power of AI, robotics, and pure human imagination. The future of food is here. It is green, it is sustainable, and it is more delicious than we ever imagined possible. Welcome to the